We say time and time again on the roofing channel, and it's a fact that roof replacements are expensive. And with how expensive they are, you want that investment to last. Today, in this video, we're going over 6 maintenance tips that you can use to accomplish just that. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the roofing channel. Let's get started. Check your attic for problems. There are 3 main things that you can check for in your attic to identify problems. The first one is looking for rotten decking. It's fairly straightforward. Look for discoloration, especially black, and that needs to be replaced. The second is poor attic ventilation. If your attic is scaldingly hot, then obviously there's an issue there and your roof might burn up. There's also a trick you can use if you're in an area with hot days and colder nights, where after the sun goes down, go in your attic, and after about an hour after that sun goes down, if your attic hasn't gotten to around 10 degrees, give or take, within the outside temperature, then that means your attic is not properly ventilated. If your attic isn't properly ventilated, then your roof is not going to last its full lifespan. Lastly, you look for animal intrusions. Fairly simple holes or anything like that where you could see birds, squirrels, raccoons, and so on. Keep your gutters clean. This is a roof-related issue that can damage other parts of your home. You need to keep your gutters clear and the water flowing. Otherwise, if your gutters flood and it starts dripping down the side, then you could experience oversaturation, which will basically be those ugly black marks that streak down your walls. Or even worse, you could experience cracking in your foundation if that water goes where it shouldn't be going. Remove debris from your roof. As leaves or twigs or other debris builds up on your roof, it can create these miniature dams, especially in valleys. When a rainstorm happens, water backs up at these miniature dams. And anytime there's standing water like that on a roof system, unless it's a flat roof, it's going to start leaking through, causing damage to your roof, your decking, and it's going to start giving you leaks. Check roof flashing and pipe boots. On a roof system, most leaks happen through those pipe boots and flashing. For flashing, you can check to see if it's starting to get rusty and open up holes in your flashing where water can make its way through, or caulking that was applied will start to loosen and do the very same thing. For pipe boots, over time when they're exposed to the sun, they'll start to crack, which, like I said before, is going to start giving way for water to come in. Check your shingles and vents. While you're looking at your roof system, check your shingles for popped nails, sliding shingles, or shingles that are flapping in the wind. These can cause roof leaks and need repairs, and depending on the severity of the issues, they can be a sign of improper installation. You'll also want to check on the overall state of granule loss on the roof. An old roof that needs replacing is going to be missing a lot of granules compared to a newer roof. You'll also need to check for asphalt bruises, or these dark spots that are an indicator of hail damage. Another good indicator of hail damage is, depending on the type, different roof vents on your roof. They can have these dings on them that are an obvious sign that your roof has hail damage, and if you have insurance, they can cover that roof replacement for you. Hire a professional roofing contractor. Definitely the best way to maintain your roof is to hire the professionals to do it for you. Now I know this sounds like a sales pitch from a roofing company, but we genuinely believe it's true. Most of the problems identified previously have to be fixed by a professional anyways, and it's going to take a lot of time, and sometimes you'll actually end up saving yourself money without having to go through the trouble of buying those materials yourself. Hire the professionals, save yourself the time, do the research to hire the right professionals, and you'll be better off for it. If you are leaning in the direction of having the professionals inspect your roof for you, then you can click on the link below or at the end of this video, where we have a video that covers how much a roof inspection costs. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the roofing channel. Remember to like and subscribe to help a smaller channel like us grow, and if you have any suggestions for content that we should cover next, leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.